Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel update in PC step by step. Open Excel and the file you want to update, then save a backup copy. I will guide you through checking for Excel updates, enabling auto updates, and using data connections safely. You will learn quick tips to avoid overwriting shared workbooks and to speed up refreshes. Stay relaxed and follow at your own pace. In this video, I will explain how to Excel update in PC step by step. Open File, go to Account, and click Update Options to check for the latest build. I will show you how to install updates safely and why restarting Excel matters. You will learn to verify your license and keep auto update enabled for security and stability. Follow each step slowly to avoid interrupting active workbooks. In this video, I will explain how to Excel update in PC step by step. I will cover data connections and refreshing linked tables so your sheets show current numbers. You will learn to change refresh settings, pause automatic refreshes, and save versioned copies before big updates. These practical steps help prevent corruption and improve performance when working with large external sources or shared work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.